HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, as the name suggests, is a markup language. In other words, a text encoding system where the structure, formatting, and the relationship between its parts are controlled by the set of symbols in the document. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. With the HTML constructs, images, user interactable forms, and other objects may be embedded into the render page. How HTML works in practice exactly? Firstly, create a file ending in .html. But the web browser doesn't know what to do with the empty file. To make browsers realize what kind of file they are working with, let's specify the type of document. The whole document lies between the two HTML tags. Speaking of text, HTML is built with different kinds of text that have a specific role. The head element is mostly for metadata, title, and website icon. In the body of the page is the visible part where the magic happens. Like the HTML and the body tag, almost all the tags work the same. The start tag and the end tag encloses the content. Let's make a page about foxes. For the title, a header tag is used with text surrounded by the h1 tag. They produce similar results like the ones in Word. In the next segment, a short paragraph tells us more about the species. For viewer experience, let's attach a picture. The source can be a local path or an URL. And for further information, using an A tag can show another reference website. Inside tags, we can nest other tags, such as an image. Here is the website for our fox enthusiast. It definitely looks plain, but CSS can solve this problem.